I get a lot of calls and DMs about people who want to start businesses or grow their business, so they want to find out how they can get business loans. Now, it's a difference between running the business where you actually structure the business and just running a business, So you can make baskets from your house and sell them to your friends and customers. And it is a business, but you have to create some type of structure. So banks and lenders and angel investors, etc., they're not going to give you money because you make baskets at your house and there's no structure for the business, as I said. So you need to go out, either LLC the business or incorporate the business, LLC being the easiest. You need to get you a tax ID number. You need to go to Dun & Bradstreet website and get you a DNB number. You need to also set up a separate mailing address from your home. So if you work from home, you still need to have a work address when you're going to look for funding or look for loans. So you can either go rent a desk at someone's office, or you can go and do a virtual office, but it has to be a office address separate from your home address. You also need a separate phone number outside of your home phone or your cell phone. You need a work number. So same thing, you could go to like one of those companies that have like voicemail services and set up a separate number outside of your phone number so that you can add that onto your application. So once you do those things, you got your LLC, you need to open up a business banking account, a business bank checking account. So now you have the business checking account, because any funds that they lend to you going to have to go into that account in the business name. So if your name is Lisa Leslie, they're not going to put a check into your basket company in the name of Lisa Leslie, unless it's Lisa Leslie LLC. So you have to have something separate, because you're essentially setting up a separate entity when you set up an LLC or set up a corporation. So everything has to be separate. The EIN number, you're going to set that up. Your tax ID or EIN, you're going to set that up, because that essentially works like your social security number as well. So you have to have that separate from your social security number when you're going to look for funding. So once you have those things in place, now you can start looking for money outside of your traditional way of looking for money, whether using credit cards or whatever, to start your business.